Such a beautiful day out. I wonder what I should do. Let's go check. I'm gonna go check in the sewers.
Hiya, Georgie. Wait a second. Hiya, Georgie. You will float too. You will float too. You will float
What happened?
You're in the sewers, Georgie.
Who is that?
Take my nose off and see who it is.
Okay.
It's me, your friend, Max from school. Whoa.
Are you done over here?
Yep.
We're gonna clean up.
I know what I'm gonna do.
You can stay with me, Georgie.
Who is that?
It's me, your friend. No, stop it, hand puppet. Hand puppet. Hand puppet, stop. It's me, your friend from school. Hand puppet. It's me, your friend from school.
I feel so good. I feel so good.
Hiya, Georgie. Come back here, Georgie. Nah, come back here. Come back here.
Later. What happened? What? Wait. I don't feel so good. He's passed out. So
You can't